Our roller coaster is called On the Wing. I think you should buy it because it lets people imagine that they're on an airplane. Plus it's short, so you'll be able to get a lot of people on and off really quickly. Speed is how much time it takes for an object to travel a certain amount of distance, or how much distance an object travels in a certain amount of time. The equation for that is speed equals distance over time. So in the scale, it went about 16 kilometers per hour. Velocity is speed with the direction of the speed. So the velocity is changing throughout, as is the speed. Those changes in speed are called acceleration. Now, there's positive and negative acceleration. Positive acceleration is where the speed of an object increases. Negative acceleration is where the speed of an object decreases. Static friction is the way two objects catch on each other, preventing the initiation of motion. Kinetic friction is the same thing, except when the object is already moving. These two kinds of friction have to be overcome for the car to move. That's why we push it to get it to start moving. And it's also why we have these drops. That's to speed up the marvel due to gravity. When an object's movement is affected only by gravity, it's experiencing freefall. That's not what's happening here though, because of the inclines. Newton's first law is an object in motion or at rest will tend to stay at motion or at rest until it is acted upon by an outside force. This is taken advantage of in the way the marble turns. The track tilts to the left so that the marble can go to the left. Newton's second law is, when an object is acted on by one or more outside forces, the total force is equal to the mass of the object times the resulting acceleration. But this can be set aside until the full-scale coaster. Newton's third law is, for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. This is used in that just before each time the marble goes up, it goes down. Inertia is an object's tendency to resist changes in its motion. An object with bigger mass, like a full-sized roller coaster, will have more inertia. That's why it's worth it to take advantage of Newton's laws of motion.